I'm sure you've heard the news. Great hair starts from the inside out. Ready to discover the key nutrients for beautiful hair? First up, zinc. This little trace mineral is a big deal for hair growth. Low on zinc? You might see more strands in your brush. Next, biotin. Found in tons of hair products, biotin strengthens your hair. But don't go solo. Pair it with a B complex to balance things out. Vitamin B6 is like a spark plug for your body, helping protein synthesis and keeping your hair, skin, and nails happy. Let's not forget copper. Split ends? It could be a copper issue. This mineral is key to strong hair. Trace minerals, like silica, also play a role. They keep your hair from breaking. And finally, collagen. If low stomach acid is an issue, you might be losing collagen. Stinging nettle root can help manage high androgen levels, especially for those dealing with hair loss. That's your quick guide to nutrient-packed hair care. Drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. For us.